We want to challenge the status quo, per se, of just, if there's a way of doing something, is there a better way of doing it? Can we bring more value? Can we take some of the steps out? Can we offer more assistance or support to our agent? Just constantly understanding that the journey is the destination, right? Like, we're always in the process of becoming better, right? It's never like, a lot of real estate agents learned how to do a listing presentation 20 years ago, and that's how they've done it for 20 years. So they have 1 year's worth of experience and they've done it for 20 years. We want to make sure that we're constantly challenging our agents and the people that we interact with about tweaking and improving everything that they're doing, right? If we can take a step out or add something that just is more visually or simplifying the process for our clients, whether that's a presentation technique or a support solution, then we're going to bring that to our agents and test it and provide it and then sponsor it so they can adopt it without having to go reinvent the wheel.